As I work with my clients on smart manufacturing projects, my primary question is how do I help my customers to make their manufacturing more efficient, safe, sustainable, and cost-effective? Smart manufacturing is a convergence of the virtual and physical worlds that bring people, data, things and processes together, and the true value of IoT solutions is enabled via interoperability. Data is the new global currency and the foundation of Industry 4.0. Vast amounts of data must be collected and then translated into actionable insight. Finding patterns, detecting anomalies, spotting trends, and predicting challenges like equipment downtime and quality issue is possible with the big data and machine learning. In addition to big data and AI/ML, SoftServe has also helped our customers utilize AR/VR technologies to transform traditional processes like equipment maintenance, complex assemblies, and staff training. 95% of today's executive leadership understands the disruption caused by IoT, but only 20% have a plan. Where are you in your digital transformation journey?